So hey guys, this is me again, Ray's Trade. And for today's video, we're just going to do a quick update about Aqua Funded. So yeah, I wanted to share this with you because honestly, this is something you might not want to miss, especially if you've been looking at prop firms lately. So basically, Aqua Funded is currently running a promotion and it's actually pretty crazy. They're offering 50% off, which is literally half the price plus 100% refund. And what makes this even more interesting is that no other firm is really doing this kind of deal right now. Aqua Funded is giving traders the opportunity to get accounts at a much cheaper price. So yeah, if you've been waiting for a good entry point, this might actually be it. So yeah, if you want to check the plans they're offering, you'll see that Aqua Funded actually has different types of plans available. But honestly, the most popular one right now is the instant funding plan. And the reason for that is simple. You don't need to trade through a challenge or hit a profit target first. You're already funded and you're trading directly to make profits, which is what a lot of traders prefer. With instant funding, there's no profit target you need to hit at all. All you really have to do is follow their rules and meet the requirements to be eligible for payouts. So yeah, it's more straightforward, less pressure, and you can just focus on your trading instead of stressing about passing phases. Now, aside from instant funding, they also offer different challenge types. You'll see they have standard and pro plans for the one-step program, which is just a single stage. Then they also have standard and pro options for the two-step challenge, and even for the three-step challenge, which of course comes with 3 stages. So yeah, depending on your trading style and risk tolerance, you can choose whatever plan fits you best. For example, if you're looking at the two-step challenge, you'll notice there's a standard plan and a pro plan. The main difference here is that the pro plan comes with a higher profit target and a higher maximum loss limit. Meanwhile, the standard plan has an 8% profit target for phase 1 and a 5% profit target for phase 2, which is actually pretty reasonable for most traders. On top of that, you also have to respect the daily loss limit, which is 5%, and make sure you don't exceed the maximum loss limit so your account stays active and tradable. They also offer 1-to-100 leverage, bi-weekly payouts, and a 100% profit split, which is really solid, especially for prop firm traders. Now, for the pro plan, it's pretty similar in structure, but the big difference is the profit target. Phase 1 requires 10%, phase 2 is still 5%, and you get the same 5% daily loss limit. The nice part here is that the maximum loss limit is higher at 10%, which gives you a bit more breathing room while trading. So yeah, if you're interested, I definitely recommend going to their website and exploring all the options Aqua Funded has. Take your time, compare the plans, and choose the one that actually fits your trading style instead of forcing something that doesn't. And don't forget, guys, they're still running that promotion right now, so this is a great chance to get in at a much cheaper price. Pricing like this doesn't come around very often, and all the other bonuses included. One more thing that's really interesting about Aqua Funded is that they also offer an instantly funded account for just $1. Yeah, literally $1. That's probably one of the lowest entry prices you'll ever see. And for that amount, you're already trading on an instantly funded account, which is honestly a pretty cool way to test things out without much risk at all. And yeah, with Aqua Funded, all you really need to do, guys, is meet their requirements. That's it. And who knows, you might actually start getting payouts, getting paid, and making real profits. The cool part is you can even withdraw those profits and use them to buy a bigger account later on, which is honestly one of the things I really like about Aqua Funded later. Another thing that really stands out is their reward guarantee. So yeah, they guarantee that you'll get paid within 24 hours. And if they don't, they'll actually pay you an extra $1,000. No one else is really doing that. So if there's ever a delay, you're not just waiting around. You're literally getting compensated for it. On top of that, they offer a 100% refundable fee and a 100% profit split option. Their standard profit split starts at 90%, with the first reward available on demand, fast bi-weekly rewards, and profit targets that are actually easy to achieve. And yeah, if you're serious about scaling, you can scale your account all the way up to $4 million, which is huge, especially with no hidden rules and no time limits. If you choose an instant funding account, you can skip the challenge entirely and get funded right away. So yeah, no profit targets to hit before trading. You can also trade different markets here like Forex, indices, metals, crypto, and futures, which gives you a lot of flexibility depending on your trading style. When you buy an account, you'll just need to choose the plan you want, whether that's the instant plan, the one-step, two-step, or three-step challenge. But if you go with instant funding, you can start trading immediately without worrying about passing any phase. Just choose your account size, click Get Funded, and you're good to go. After clicking Get Funded, you'll move to the Details and Payment section. Here you'll confirm the account type, the account size, and select the trading platform you want to use. If you're a US trader, you can use TradeLocker or MatchTrader. You can also choose add-ons that give you a higher profit split or on-demand payouts. And if you select both, you can even save an extra 5%. From there, you just enter your billing information and apply the promo code to get a much cheaper price. And yeah, if you want to bundle accounts, you can do that too. They have options that are marked as best value and most popular, especially if you're getting 2 or 3 accounts. Once everything looks good, you confirm your payment and proceed. And honestly, what I really like is that you can clearly see they're paying traders. You'll see a lot of payout proof showing traders actually receiving their rewards, which definitely builds confidence. If you want to connect with other traders, you can also join their Discord. You can chat with other members, share experiences, and stay updated with what's going on, which is always helpful when you're part of a prop firm. So yeah, that's why it's really important to stay updated on Aqua Funded's latest promotions, because that's how you take advantage of these discounts. And like I mentioned earlier, don't forget about the $1,000 instantly funded account for just $1. That alone gives you a chance to trade and get funded with almost no risk. So yeah, I think that pretty much wraps up this quick review, guys. If you're planning to get an account, don't forget to grab the discounted pricing while it's still available, because this is only for a limited time. Make sure you use the discount code when you sign up. Thank you again for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.